Hello everybody. Wanted to show this simple FM receiver circuit that I found online, and I assembled it just trying to see what it would do, what the performance was like. And so I did assemble it, tried it out, and saw that I could actually improve upon it. And so the improved circuit is what I have here. Now, one of the things that I did was to raise the bias points of both of the transistors by placing diodes at the emitters, and these could be such as the 1N914 or the 1N4148s. And I also placed a resistor, a 1K ohm resistor, at the output. And what this does is increases the input impedance of the audio amplifier. And the antenna is best placed at the junction of the emitter of Q1 and D1. And I wanted to demonstrate this circuit, and I've assembled it here. And I have the inductor and a trimmer cap in this area here. Now, one of the things that's really kind of cool as to what I did was to basically put these two long pieces of wire that stretch between the tank circuit, which is the parallel arrangement of the inductor and the trimmer cap. But basically what I did was just to make it kind of a little bit interesting in that by varying what the distance is between these two pieces of wire, you actually are able to tune. So you're able to tune the resonant circuit or adjust the resonant frequency of the tank circuit, and thereby being able to tune in a station. And so I will show that how that operates. Now the output signal is sent to a Radio Shack amplifier, and the antenna is basically this yellow wire that is about a foot and a half long. So let me go ahead and turn it on and show you how it operates. All right, so I have turned it on, and I can adjust the frequency through the trimmer right here. But in playing around with these two wires,
what we can see. In the document, there's nothing about police responding quickly. We're continuing to report on this matter.
It's a subjective determination. I mean, law enforcement might have, officials of law enforcement might have thought that.
all right, let me adjust it with the screw insert here. I finally got it in there.
Police team reacted.
All right. Now I could adjust the tuning a bit with the trimmer, but the trimmer itself doesn't really have a very large tuning range because it's really, just a very small adjustment range which this trimmer cap has. I believe it's about 15 picofarads, so it's really small. But I've set it here, and by adjusting these two wires, as far as what the distances between them, I can affect tuning as well. So let's go ahead and do that.
A little bit different is gun safety.
I'm surprised by what you say. You say that that's.
Now, one of the things that I found also is that I can actually remove the trimmer completely. So let me do that right quick. I have removed the trimmer, and so let's go ahead and just play around with the two wires to tune.
Is that a short, long-term goal? How do you see that? And what
80% of
Okay. Now, as far as the coil, basically it's 4 turns at the end of a ballpoint pen, just like I have here. And basically just wrapped around the pen, 4 turns, and then just strip the ends so it makes electrical contact with the actual coil itself, and use that. Now, one of the things that I do plan to do is to make this a permanent assembly, put it on a PCB board. But one of the things that I will have to go ahead and do is get a tuning cap with a wider range of capacitance, and or maybe come up with some sort of a alternate means of tuning, such as what I have here. Perhaps maybe I stretch out 2 wires, just such as I have here, adjacent to each other, and then adjust what the distance is between them, and so I could adjust it. Again, this is an interesting way of tuning, but it's something that could actually be done. Either way, hopefully you've enjoyed the circuit. All right, now again, this is the improved circuit right here, and hopefully you all try it out. All right, thank you.